Hello and welcome to Deval Designs. I am ready to start my day. I'm gonna go drop off my kid. Coffee is here, my bag's here, keys here, phone's here, and we will start driving and I will take you around. I have a lot to complete today. I have to do a bunch of home stuff, some home errands, including doing laundry. And then I'm gonna show you how I finished my appliance cabinet yesterday. I think it was pretty late and I was exhausted, so I did not show you guys, but I can't wait to show you today. All right, keep watching and I will see you after I drop off my child. Bye. It is a beautiful day and I wanted to show you guys the skies are clear and hopefully we'll able to have a good day today. Hello and welcome to Deval Designs. I am here to clean out my appliance cabinet and also I wanted to put few of my table runners and organize them in here. I just brought it from upstairs from my linen closet. I think this is a right place to keep this stuff here. And this is how it looks right now. So I just want to go ahead and clean up and I am going to show you how we are going to do this. You can see how I'm placing this. I have put all these blades, attachments in this little box. It goes in the back. And then I'm going to keep this machine here. And this canister. Let's decorate this wall, which is completely empty. I have shoved some of the decorations here. Let's go ahead and add some nice paintings or some color here. I will start by measuring this wall. Let's do that. So I know it's 42 inches and then I do want to keep some space, so it's going to be 30. So let's plan to put things that's going to be between 42 and 30, where I can even show off all my little things that's here. Okay, this does not belong here. Out you go. Get out. Get out. Okay, let's do it. I just measured how much space it would be from this end to this for 42 inches. It's gonna be pretty tight, but I have these two paintings in my garage which I want to use. And then 30 maybe up. So I was thinking I'm gonna do it this way, like 2 framework and then 1 not so much framed art, just to keep it raw. What do you guys think? Should we start hitting wall with a hammer? Let's do it. All right, I am here with some hammer and these nails and a measuring tape. So let's start working. This is pretty, isn't this? I like it. I really like it. And this, and then my things to be board. Oh, it's important. It's freakingly important. This is a vase that someone gave me. It's supposed to be like this. And I'm liking this like. So like my content. And this way I can charge something that I need to, like especially my phone or something when I'm working on my desk here. I can just have fun, pick up this lamp and put it wherever I want to. There are some crystals in here which I absolutely love. And I think this has turned out into a great spot. What do you think? Please let me know. You know where to comment. Bye. Ciao. Hello, I just made a few stickers. I finished this whole thing yesterday and then I was exhausted. So today I thought I will just go ahead and make the labels and put them. That way we know what exactly is where, and my kids will try to keep things where it belongs. So I have made all this labels from this beautiful label maker which I absolutely love, and I look forward to reasons how to use this. I'm gonna show you with the label. This has grill and its attachments, citrus juicer and egg maker, and waffle maker is here, grater, and some of my small vases are back there, you can see. And then this has food processor and attachments, vases, bread maker, instant pot. So I think I am liking this. I just got back from dropping off my daughter. It was a nice ride. It's going to be in 70s today. I'm super excited. My plants will be super happy. I am going to put one of the seeds that I've started outside where the sun hits the most today. And without any ado, as promised, let me show you how my appliance cabinet turned out. I don't have a big pantry and also my kitchen space is very limited. So I like to keep all these appliances here. This is kind of behind the kitchen, so this works for me. So here is the big reveal. Okay, let me turn on the light so you guys can see how it looks. And you can see I have a grill which serves as griddle and waffle maker here, mini waffle maker, egg maker, citrus juicer. This is my grater, food processor. Basically, these are the items that I don't use that often. I have a smaller instant pot which I use. I use my air fryer all the time. I have a little blender which I use all the time, and a tea kettle, electric tea kettle, which I use all the time. So those are the only two things which are used often, which I have kept outside, and my coffee machine. But other than that, it's okay to come out here and pick something and things. These, I know this does not look nice, but this is my vases that I have. I do want to still purge few, but to be very honest, I was so exhausted, and at one point I just wanted to put everything in its place and be done with this. This was the last thing I did. I might go back and figure out like what are the vases which I have used in past year. If I have used them, I'm gonna keep them. If not, you know my rule, it goes out. There's a bread machine, instant pot, there's instant pot accessories behind instant pot. I have this beautiful KitchenAid mixture, my Vitamix. Okay, these are my placemats and tablecloths for my eat-in kitchen area. And before we go, let me zoom in and show you how this all looks. Still not sure if light is perfect or not, but how about this, that, natural light, I don't know. Anyway, let me close this beautiful cabinet now. I'm so proud of myself. I also did this area which you guys can see, and let me show you. So this is, these are all the 3 paintings that I have painted. This was from Yosemite, and then this one is something that I got like from a postcard or something like that. And then this was my one of the other paintings that I did. I think I kind of learned this from a book. That's how I learned by myself how to paint. I'm not painting as much, but would like to. I put this chest here. I don't know if I want to put some chargers or anything inside. It is just empty, it's cute, and I just thought instead of keeping it inside, this would be a nice place to hide this wire points. Lamp here. I have some crystals and our picture frame, all these stuff here. I am not sure if I'm gonna keep this here, but for now this just stays. And all the other things are just the same. Thank you so much for watching my channel and spending time with me today. I enjoyed cleaning my appliance cabinet. I was able to put some of my vases and little lamp out there. I think I'm gonna find a space to put this lamp somewhere. Anyway, thank you so much. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I would like to see you guys soon, and I will keep posting, so you guys will see me pretty soon. Anyway, take care, love you, ciao.